English for Beginners. Free time activities. Vocabulary. Listen to music. Go swimming. Play video games. Play table tennis. Go bowling. Ride a bike. Lift weights. Watch TV. Read books. Do yoga. Questions and answers. What do you do in your free time? I play video games. What does she do in her free time? She watches TV. Practice. What do you do in your free time?
I lift weights.
What do you do in your free time?
I go swimming.
What do you do in your free time?
I play table tennis.
What does Rachel do in her free time?
She reads books.
What does Brian do in his free time?
He plays video games.
What do Ryan and Brad do in their free time?
They ride bikes.
Yes/no questions. Do you go swimming? Yes, I do. Do you listen to music? No, I don't. I read books. Does she lift weights? No, she doesn't. She does yoga. Practice. Do you go bowling?
Yes, I do.
Do you read books?
No, I don't. I watch TV.
Do you do yoga?
Yes, I do.
Does Rachel listen to music?
Yes, she does.
Does Neil go swimming?
No, he doesn't. He lifts weights.
Do Jason and Sarah ride a bike?
No, they don't. They play video games.
Homework. Answer this question in the comments section. What do you do in your free time? Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.